Bird 1.0. I'm drawing a very basic bird with some simple shapes. I have a circle, half circle, and then some straight lines and dots. Some V's. There's some ideas down at the bottom of this for drawing the bird in different ways, but I'm going to start with the basic bird. So make a circle for the head, then the half circle goes into the circle a bit for the body, then a V out front, and almost a complete triangle for the tail. Then I start the legs with a couple of V's and then some straight lines going down, some lines coming off that for the feet. And circle for the eye, and I could play around with where to put the eyeball will make the bird look like it has different expressions. I'm going to put it right in the middle this time. And it's a line for the beak. The wing is kind of a weird shape, but then just put some V's in there for feathers. Some lines on the tail. And they put some lines for feathers or something on top, but I'm not going to do that.